Protesters commandeered the streets of Urumqi in northwestern China, screaming, chanting, swelling. These pictures from China's state-run media. An eyewitness says throngs of ethnic Uyghurs, men, women, and children, left their market stands in the city's bazaar district to join in. Chinese riot police responded swiftly, pushing the crowds back. The witness, an American studying in Urumqi, says that's when the crowds turned violent, throwing rocks, vegetables, setting vehicles on fire.
They were slapping car windows, driving by, smashing bus windows, which had been evacuated. You know, once things got really heavy and there's tear gas. Yeah, I heard several bouts of gunfire, explosions.
Police reportedly fired shots over the crowd. The riots quickly hit Chinese blogs. Netizens spread video and photos like these online, though they cannot be independently verified by CNN. In the end, state media reports at least 140 people killed, more than 800 injured. Urumqi is the capital of China's Xinjiang province, where almost half the people are Uyghur and mostly Muslim. There's a long history of ethnic tension between the Uyghurs and Han Chinese. Around the Olympics, a bombing in Xinjiang killed 16 police. The Chinese government blamed what they call Uyghur separatists.
What you're seeing is stereotyping on both sides. The resistors themselves believe that everyone in the government is evil. The state believes that these are terrorists, individuals who are being driven from the outside.
The Chinese government says the latest protests were masterminded by activists outside the country, saying the violence is a preempted, organized, violent crime. It is instigated and directed from abroad and carried out by outlaws in the country. But many protesters reportedly said they are angry about how the Chinese government handled another incident in southern China at a toy factory in Guangdong. State-run media reports an ex-employee started a rumor that a group of Uyghur men raped 2 Han Chinese women. It led to a massive brawl between Uyghur and Han Chinese factory workers and ended with 2 Uyghurs killed, and may have ignited this bloody outpouring of pent-up frustration in Urumqi. Emily Chang, CNN, Beijing.